Good morning everyone. Welcome back ma. In the last class we have completed the exercise 2. Okay, that is multiplication of exercise 3, that is multiplication of fractions. Now we'll see a topic of division of fractions. Okay, in the last classes we have seen addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction and multiplication fraction also we have completed. Now we'll see about division of fractions. Okay, see first of all what is meant by fraction. A fraction is nothing but which can be formed in the form of p by q. Yes or no? That is a division of means fraction. Okay, division of fraction. First suppose, see, if you want to divide a number with 3 divided by 1 by 2. Okay, first suppose this is a number, you have to divide a whole number with a one fraction. Okay, how can you divide? See, first of all this is in the form of fraction, yes or no? P by Q form. This fraction can be written in reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal of 1 by 2 means what is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? Reciprocal in the sense it can be written in the form of reverse. This 1 by 2, reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Okay, this is your reciprocal. Okay, first suppose reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. Okay, 3 by 2 aithe 2 by 3. These are the reciprocals. Okay, like this you have to write down the reciprocal. Okay, first suppose if you want to divide these two, now ఈ డివిజన్ కి బదులు ఫస్ట్ 1 by 2 కి రెసిప్రోకల్ రాయండి, దట్ ఈస్ 2 by 1. ఈ డివిజన్ కి బదులు ఇంటూ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద division of fractions. Okay, if you want to write this means if you want to divide these two, in case of division you will get the multiplication and you have to write the reciprocal of 1 by 2. Clear? This is now 3 2s are 6 is your answer. This is how you have to divide. First suppose, see, 5 by 6 divided by 2 by 3. Okay, this you have to divide means two fractions, division of two fractions means first of all 5 by 6 write down into reciprocal of 2 by 3. Okay, ఈ 5 by 6 2 by 3 తోనే డివైడ్ చేయాలి అంటే 5 by 6 యాజ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ అలానే రాసుకోండి, అండ్ దిస్ 2 by 3 కెన్ బి రిటన్ ఇన్ ది ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ 2 by 3. ఓకే, మీన్స్ ఈ డివిజన్కి బదులు అప్పుడు మల్టిప్లికేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, నౌ 5 by 6 into what is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? 3 by 2. Just reverse. Reciprocal is nothing but reverse. Now multiplication. 5 3s are 15, 6 2s are 12 is your answer. Okay, like this you have to do the division of fractions, and this is about reciprocal of fraction. Okay, after that, yes, see here one example is there, just write down that example in your classwork. Okay, means here two fractions are given, 3 by 10 and 9 by 10. Just you have to multiply, okay, with the reciprocal, then you will get the answer here. Just once go through this example, and after that start exercise 4. I said already, find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Okay, you have to write down the reciprocals of the given fractions means 5 by 8, the reciprocal means write down the first question. After that in solution, the reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5, 8 by 5, and this is 7 by 8, 7 by 13, 4 by 3. These are the reciprocals of the given fractions. Okay, next find 18 divided by 3 by 4 means I said already. Okay, I'll tell you one problem and the remaining you have to do by your own. Okay, in second bit, first one 18 divided by 3 by 4. In solution, 18 into reciprocal of 3 by 4 means 18 into 4 by 3. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18, 6 4s are 24 is your answer. Okay, like this you have to do. Clear? See, Here the third question and fourth question, this can be given in the form of mixed fraction. You can convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. Means 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 3. 3 divided 7 by 3 means 3 into the reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. Okay, and do multiplication finally. Same as it is like that the fourth question also. After that, see third one. Find 2 by 5 divided by 3. Same as it is as second problem. For 2 by 5 you have to write down the reciprocal of 2 by 5 into 3. Okay, 2 by 5 means reciprocal of 2 by 5 into 3 means what is the reciprocal of 2 by 5? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 3. After do multiplication, write down the answer. Okay, and here 8 by 7 into 5. Okay, here 4 by 9 into, I said already here one problem as it is like that only, do that third problem in your third bit. Okay, like this. Clear? This is about first, second, third bit in your exercise 4. And see here fourth question. Here 2 by 5 is there. Okay, this 2 by 5 can be written in the form of how? You have to write down the reciprocal of 2 by 5. Okay, means reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2, and divide, you have to write down this in means in mixed form. Okay, 2 2s are 4, you will get 1, so 2 1 by 2 is your answer. Clear? This is your fourth problem. Just I will tell you, I said the what just procedure you have to do clearly by your own. Try this problem. If you will get, write down, otherwise I will tell you in the next class. Okay, this is about your today's class of exercise 4, and make sure your exercise should be complete in your classwork also. Okay, after that, after your exercise 3, what you have to do, keep side heading as division of fractions. Okay, after that, write down these examples what I said. Okay, up to here write down these examples up. Clear? And write down here, thus dividing by a fraction is equivalent to multiplying the numbers by the reciprocal of that fraction. Keep side heading as reciprocal of fraction here. After that, write down this definition. Okay, clear? This is writing part of before your exercise, and write down this example also, example 8. Clear? Next, start exercise 4. Okay, complete this exercise, and we'll meet in decimal next class with decimal numbers of fractional decimals. Okay, this is about your today's class. I hope everyone will complete your classworks. After finishing your exercise, just come with your books for correction. Okay, thank you. We'll meet in next class. Bye.